cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk, we ride along, and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is the Helper Cars garage. The doors open and tow trucks come out. Today, challenging tasks await them. Let's paint each car a different color so that we don't mix them up. Let's paint the first tow truck red. The second one green. The third one blue. The fourth one yellow. And the fifth one purple. The tow trucks are ready. Who needs help? There's been an accident at the crossroads. A taxi and a van carrying fruits and vegetables collided. We'll need 2 tow trucks here. The green tow truck lifts the taxi. The manipulator carefully picks up the bumper that the car lost and loads it onto the tow truck. Like this. Let's go. The yellow tow truck will take the vegetable van to the repair shop. Off we go. There's some broken glass left at the scene of the accident. The street sweeper is already on the way. The crossroads are all clear. This pickup is moving very slowly. Everyone is overtaking it. The pickup pulled over. Let's see what happened. Oh, the engine has overheated. The red tow truck will take the pickup to the repair shop. The tow truck lifts the pickup with its large hook. Now we can go. What happened in front of the Helper Cars garage? The purple convertible has parked right on the ramp. No one can pass through. We need a tow truck here, too. Here it is. It's coming now. Green. The barrier is going up. Convertible, you're going to the impound. What a big wheel! It's the wheel of a crane. It came down the mountain on a windy road with sharp bends and didn't make it on that turn. The rear wheel is hanging over the edge. The blue tow truck is coming to the rescue. I wonder whether it has enough strength to pull the crane. Let's try. Pull! It worked! Well done, tow truck. Its engine is very powerful, and the boom and hook are sturdy. Today, there will be a lot of work to do at the repair shop. The gates are opening. All the broken cars are being brought in. Soon, all the broken cars will be fixed. It's good there are so many helper cars around.
cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks, and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The yellow car is off to the shops for some sweets. But the weather in Candy Town isn't great today. The sky is full of storm clouds, and there's a strong wind blowing. But there's the candy ball machine. Little car, there's no time to play. We've got to get back home. Now look, the candy balls have flown away. It's starting to rain. Look out, little car. It's a hurricane. The hurricane is turning everything over. The candy shops are being pulled up into the air. My, oh my! The wind was very strong. Their foundations weren't strong enough, so all the buildings have been flipped over. We've got to lay some new foundations and get all the shops back in place. Do you know what to do? Let's go to the Helper Cars garage for some help. Knock, knock, knock! We'll need 4 concrete mixers for the job. A green one. A blue one. An orange one. And a pink one. The concrete mixers are off to Candy Town. Each of them is going to lay the foundation for the shop that matches their color. The excavator's already dug 4 holes for the foundations. Let's pour some blue cement in here. Now we need to put the blue shop back. The helicopter can lend a hand there. It's lifting the blue shop up. And it's setting it on the new foundation. All done. Muffins and cupcakes are going to be sold in this shop. The green concrete mixer is pouring green cement mixture out of its drum. The orange one's pouring out some peach-colored cement. How pretty! The pink foundation's going here. The helicopter is putting the big lollipop back in place. The little yellow car is going to the shop for sweets. Enjoy your sweets! The helper cars are heading back to their garage. They really must get some rest now. There will be new work waiting for them tomorrow.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
In front of the helper car's garage, there's a crane at work. It's digging some huge bathtubs. I wonder why. Oh, paint is pouring into the bathtubs. And here's a little horse. Is it waiting for a bus? The bathtubs are filled up with paint. What beautiful colors! Out of the garage comes a gray bus. Now we're going to paint you. The bus is plunging into the paint. Oh, you can't even see its roof. What color is the bus? Red. That's right. The horse is going to ride on the red bus. But the puppy was too late. Don't worry, little puppy. There's another bus for you coming out of the garage. Let's paint it green. How beautiful! The puppy is getting on the green bus. A mommy cat and her kittens are walking to the bus stop. It looks like one kitten is missing. His mommy is calling him. Oh dear, the silly thing is playing with the paint. Little kitten, you've got a purple paw. Let's wash it. Now you can go to the bus stop. The kittens are going to catch the purple bus. Do you like this color? On you go, kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a nice trip, kittens. What do you think? Where did all the multicolored buses go? There they are, waiting at the traffic lights. Red, yellow, green, and off the buses go. All the passengers are enjoying themselves because the buses are taking them to the playground. The horse is playing in the red ball pit. The puppy wants to ride on the slide. You're very brave. The kittens are coming out of the purple bus and are running off to play in the purple ball pit. At the bus stop, the orange bus with the yellow stripe has arrived. The bus will take everyone home. Come on, kitten. The bus is waiting. Buses, thanks for doing a great job.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear. Beef and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The red pickup truck is at the warehouse. The forklift truck is loading different colored boxes into its trailer. They need taking to the shop. Let's go! It's the race car's garage. Oh my, that was fast. The little cars are really racing around. They're overtaking the pickup truck. The yellow car wants the pickup to come and play. Thank you, little car, but the pickup truck has an important job to do. It's a racetrack with a real loop-the-loop. That's where the little cars were rushing off to. Pickup truck, will you have a go? Just one go. Do you think he'll make it round? The cars are picking up speed. The yellow car had no problem going round the loop-the-loop. The pickup trucks. Oh, all the boxes have fallen. The fruit's gone everywhere. One box fell right on top of a little car. What are they going to do? The helper cars are coming to the rescue. The police car and the forklift truck. They need to close off the road. Let's put some cones around the fallen fruit and vegetables. Little cars, can you please help us put everything that fell back into the boxes? The red apples go in the red box. The yellow lemons go in the yellow box. The green cucumbers go in the green box. That's a neat trick. There's just one apple left. No green car, not in there. The red apple goes in the red box. All done. We've sorted out the fruit and vegetables, but who's going to load the boxes onto the pickup? The forklift truck, of course. Thank you, helper cars. You know, you all did such a good job helping the pickup truck. Now it's time for everyone to go home. The road is clear. All that's left is to clear away the cones. The pickup truck has brought the fruit and vegetables to the shop. The helper cars are back at their garage. We'll see them next time, when they'll have another important job to do.
Helper cars.